Hello, my wonderful, wonderful people, and welcome back. Yes, I am back in Germany. I am back in Hamburg, and I also got my professional microphone back, which I couldn't take with me during my trip, so yeah. Now, today I have something really special for you. It's a nice little Sunday walk, something a lot of Germans like to do when it's sunny and the weather's good and you don't have anything else to do because you can't really do anything else on a Sunday here in Germany because all the stores are closed. So yeah, we go for a little walk. So I am taking you on a little tour from Poppenbüttel to Alsterdorf, which took us about, I think it was a little bit over 2 hours. You simply have to take the S-Bahn to Poppenbüttel, which might be a little bit complicated because that S-Bahn will get separated in Alsterdorf, so you have to be careful to be sitting in the last 3 trains because the first 3 trains will take you to the airport and not to Poppenbüttel. So yeah, you're going to take the S-Bahn to Poppenbüttel and then you will leave the station and you will see the big Polizeigebäude, which is the police station. Walk next to it and then just walk straight. And even though you will see a sign that will tell you that you're walking towards a cul-de-sac, I think that's what you call a Sackgasse in English, you can just go on because that one only is meant for cars. People on bikes and hikers can simply go into the forest and enjoy a wonderful Sunday walk through forests next to the tiny little Alster, because yeah, that was the Alster. And after around 2 hours you will be in Alsterdorf or already in Alsterdorf, and then you can take another S-Bahn or you take another metro and you can go back to the city. Now I will be leaving you with the footage and some music because I was not on my own. I was with a friend and we were talking, and you are not allowed to know what we talked about. So you will have to enjoy the footage with music instead of nature sounds. But I think that's fine. Enjoy the video, enjoy the first real Hamburg vlog, and please don't forget to like, share, comment, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe because I will do more interesting vlogs in the future. But today, after I was not able to do this for such a long time, I really wanted to just go on a little walk. See you in the next one. Bye!